A banyan tree begins with a single seed, but as its roots spread over time, it becomes one with the land. Its strength drawn from deep, enduring connections. This is the story of Bosch India. German in origin, we journeyed alongside the nation for over a century. As a growth partner, we have successfully merged German precision with Indian ingenuity. Since 1922, we've evolved from our beginnings into a forward-looking technology company at pace with India's changing landscape. As the only region with a public listed entity worldwide, we blend global expertise with local insights for unique market advantage. Our commitment to manufacturing excellence is rooted in localization. Merging efficiency with cutting-edge techniques, we are building the factories of the future. AI powers our manufacturing expertise, enhancing every Bosch product we create today. As a technology-neutral company, we are well-positioned across all mobility domains, from electrification to software-defined vehicles, autonomous driving to safety systems. We stay ahead, committed to redefine India's mobility future. Our goal is not just enabling seamless movement, but shaping a safe, sustainable and exciting tomorrow. At the heart of this vision stands our largest software center outside Germany, where over 20,000 software developers design tomorrow's solutions. Our impact extends far beyond mobility, pioneering advancements across industries. Power tools, driving industrial performance one tool at a time. Building technologies, securing and connecting modern spaces with intelligent solutions. Home appliances, redefining Indian kitchens as premium lifestyle spaces, blending design, innovation and performance. Drive and control technologies, powering efficiency, safety and sustainability across industries. In business, we lead by conscience and purpose. We champion sustainability, achieving carbon neutrality since 2020, optimizing energy use and embracing circular economy principles. We drive transformative efforts in education and health, empowering communities and fostering grassroots development. Our Spark Next campus also reflects our commitment to positive impact. A next-gen workspace where innovation meets purpose and ideas become reality. With 38,000 associates across India and multiple entities being certified as a great place to work, we believe our people are central to our growth. We continue to invest in talent, tech and research that keeps India at the forefront of global advancements. Our presence today expands across the SAARC region, Nepal, Sri Lanka and Bangladesh, and we stay committed to grow further, together towards a promising future. Like the banyan tree that becomes one with the land it grows upon, Bosch India continues to put down new roots while reaching higher. A technology powerhouse ready for the next century of innovation and beyond. Invented for life.